Team sports. Basketball and volleyball. Team sports. Team sports are sports where individuals are organized into opposing teams which compete to win. Basketball. Basketball is a team sport in which two teams, most commonly of 5 players each, opposing one another on a rectangular court, compete with the primary objective of shooting a basketball through the defender's hoop or basket while preventing the opposing team from shooting through their own hoop or basket. History of basketball. Basketball began with its invention in 1891 in Springfield, Massachusetts by Canadian physical education instructor Dr. James Naismith as a less injury-prone sport than football. Naismith was a 31-year-old graduate student when he created the indoor sport to keep athletes indoors during the winters. The first name of basketball is Naismith ball. The first ball used in basketball was soccer ball, and the first basket used was beach basket. Basic dribbling. Basics of dribbling in basketball. First, use your fingers instead of your palm. You will find it easiest to control the basketball if you hold it with the tips of your fingers. Keep your knees bent. Your back should be straight. Keep your eyes up. And dribble the ball below the waist or knees. Basic shooting. Basics of shooting in basketball. Eyes on target. Your target here is the basketball ring. Proper stance and balance. Proper grip or proper handling of the ball. Balance hand. Delivery. Up force and landing. And follow through. Basic passing. Bounce pass. Hold ball in both hands, chest high, step forward, extend your arms and snap your wrists to throw the ball forward and down into the floor to bounce it to your teammate. Chest pass. It is thrown by gripping the ball on the sides with the thumbs directly behind the ball. The resulting follow-through has the back of the hands facing one another with the thumbs straight down. Baseball pass. Baseball passes are when you throw the ball a long distance using one hand and throwing it overhand like a baseball. Overhead pass. An overhead pass is used when basketball elevate the ball, so the pass often more easily seen by the receiver. The overhead pass provides a different angle for the ball to travel and so is ideal in situations like passing over defenders, skip passing, or passing into the post. Types of defense in basketball. Player-to-player defense. Player-to-player defense is a type of defensive tactic used in basketball in which a player guards his counterpart opponent. Example, center guarding a center. Man-to-man defense. Man-to-man defense is a type of defensive tactic used in basketball in which each player is assigned to defend and follow the movements of a single player on offense. In this type of defense, a player may be assigned to guard a different position. Example, center guarding a point guard. Zone defense. Zone defense is a type of defense used in basketball which is the alternative to man-to-man defense. Instead of each player guarding a corresponding player on the other team, each defensive player is given an area or a zone to cover. Three ways to score in basketball. 2-point baskets. The most common type of scoring in basketball is the 2-point basket. This is any shot that is made from inside of the 3-point line, about 22 feet, and can be done with a jump shot, layup, or dunk. 3-point baskets. The NBA introduced the 3-point line during the 1979 to 1980 season, which rewarded players for making shots from long distance with an extra point. Before then, all shots that came during live action counted for 2 points. Free throws. Free throws are granted when a player is fouled in the act of shooting the ball. If the shot is missed, the shooter is awarded 2 free throws for 2-point shots and 3 free throws for 3-point shots. Basketball court layout. 1. Sideline. 2. Baseline or end line. 3. Midcourt line. 4. 3-point line. 5. Free throw line. 6. Free throw circle. 7. Lane line. 8. Center circle. Player positioning. 1. Point guard. 2. Shooting guard. 3. Small forward. 4. Power forward. 5. Center. Point guards are expected to run the team's offense by controlling the ball and making sure that it gets to the right player at the right time. A shooting guard's main objective is to score points for their team and steal the ball on defense. Some teams ask their shooting guards to bring up the ball as well. These players are known colloquially as combo guards. Small forwards are typically shorter, quicker, and leaner than power forwards and centers. They are the most versatile of the 5 main basketball positions. Power forwards play a role similar to centers. They typically play offensively with their backs towards the basket and position themselves defensively under the basket in a zone defense or against the opposing power forward in man-to-man defense. The center is normally the tallest player on the team and often has a great deal of strength and body mass as well. They traditionally have played close to the basket in the low post. Centers are valued for their ability to protect their own goal while scoring with high efficiency. Health benefits of basketball. Strengthens muscular endurance. Playing basketball requires agility, strength, and stamina. Builds healthy bones. Improves balance and coordination. Develops fundamental movement skills. Improves body composition. And boosts your heart health.
Hold up.